the stuff flying in there?
Oh, I see it, look.
Yep.
I've never actually seen one before. Do you think we're gonna die?
No. Oh, you see it right there?
Yeah, that's
right. No, in the bottom.
Oh my God. This is scary.
You see it?
This is Are we safe over here? I don't know. I'm going inside. Where should we go? It's coming this way, isn't it?
I think it's moving that way. I think we're good.
It's like right there, isn't it?
Yeah. If it starts getting closer, we might have to go inside because the breeze is coming in.
Are we still on the third floor? Is that hill? Look at that fly, look at that. Oh my God, it's scary.
Oh wow, you see Walmart's roof? Yeah, it was coming off. Look at that. Just ripping stuff up. There's some... Yeah. Dude, that's golf ball size. That is insane. Look at that. Your truck is screwed.
Oh no, my God.
Ow.
Oh my God, we're gonna do insurance to cover hail damage, right?
I don't know.
Coming back. Right over roads right now. Oh, look at it. Oh, shit.
It's like it.
Man,
It might be getting...
that thing's getting stronger right there. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, those things don't feel good. Oh man.
Oh, shit. How did that guy do?
With the umbrella.
That ain't the smartest thing to be doing.
Now I was gonna pull them up in the air. Looks like it might be, well, I don't know. Yeah. This thing's gonna surprise you. The hell is slowing down, so. Wow.
Never underestimate wind.
Nope.
Curled all the way around over there.
No, not really.
See it go that way? Right through the wall.
Yeah.
That's like bigger than golf ball.
Insurance says we can't have damage, right?
Yeah, it might be alright. Yeah, you can see the Walmart's roof is like this right here, like it was about to come off. And then a roof over there, one of the shops came off. So. That's crazy how it curves right around us.
Yeah. I've never seen a tornado that close before.
I've never seen one at all.
I mean, we had tornadoes in our town and all, but always made so inside for them.
Oh, ow. Okay, I'm going in.